the parents are not using antibiotics, child is behaving very well. If the mothers are using more antibiotics, child behaves very violently.
Lately, I've been seeing that people who go through IVF, they get twins. Is it normal to get twins?
Some mothers are feeling they are happy because of twins, but it is not a natural because forcible medications we are getting twin babies.
Is it possible activities like gym, swimming, or any other physical activities will help out to reduce the autism?
Autism children are getting neuro energy. It is not a physical energy. It is not a muscle energy. You can't tide.
Therapy versus treatment. Which one they have to choose?
Therapy and treatment both is a different kind of systems to treat low level hyperactive or ADHD is there. Therapies are very good for those children. Major instability is there. Major restlessness is there. Compulsory treat is important.
And I've noticed a lot of autistic children won't able to understand the sarcasm or jokes.
All my words are not going into their mind. Some ADHD people they will receive but they don't explain. They don't reply.
Due to some foods, these kids are getting hyperactive.
If you are giving more sugar for autistic children, already hyperactive is there. Again you are giving more energy food.
Can autistic child go to a regular school?
The autistic children are unstable mind, uncontrollable movements. There is no fixed thought process. If that special teacher is there, it is easy to educate those type of children.
Is autism more common in boys than girls?
It is depend on the constitution.
Most of autism cases and ADHD cases, major cause you mentioned antibiotics. If at all, is this a major issue? How to avoid antibiotics?
If you are frequently giving antibiotics to your child, 3 punishments you are giving your child. Number 1 is the gut issues. Because of gut issues, hyperactivity is increases. Number 2 is the healthy microbes death of the body. All microbes are going to die because of antibiotics. Number 3 is the again they will sick because of you used already antibiotics, low immune system. These 3 punishments you are giving to your child. So stop to use antibiotics much more. 4 important points to follow to avoid antibiotics. Number 1 is the give some time to treating self level. Second, give good food, healthy food at low salty food or spicy food or this
Soft
one.
food.
Soft food you can give. Then you can use paracetamol 3 to 5 days or 5 days. And 4th, if possible, you can use homeopathy for acute infections. It is so superb, it works. So fast medicines are there for all acute infections. These acute infections, if you suppress, the autism is, hyperactivity is getting more and more this one. Behaviors are going to more trouble to your child. These are the very much important in my clinical practice. I observed if the parents are not using antibiotics, child is behaving very well. It is a simple autistic level. If the mothers are using more antibiotics, child behaves very violently with more gut issues, more all unwanted behaviors also going to develop. These are the changes I am seeing in practical. 2 children are there, autism children. If you are not using one children for autism, children for antibiotics, this child is at least simple autism, it will suffer, you can manageable. If you are using more antibiotics, these children are unmanageable condition, they will go. Uncontrollable movement, they will go. So, I am suggesting all parents, so don't use. In emergency only you can consult your doctor. Otherwise, maximum 99%, if you avoid antibiotics, at least you will get good relief with autism children.
So lately I've been seeing that people who go through IVF conceive, they get twins. Is it normal to get twins?
So basically IVF pregnancies are majorly they will get twin babies because medicated pregnancy, because of hormone imbalance, twin babies are forming, but it is not at all a good. In twin babies in a mother, 2 children, out of 3 life beings, 1 must be disturb the health system. Mother maybe health conditions are going to disturb. In twin baby, anyone also intelligence level or physical health level or some disturbance, neurological disturbance are coming. So basically twins are not a healthy, not a recommended, it is not a natural. Some mothers are feeling they are happy because of twins, but it is not a natural because forcible medications we are getting twin babies. So whoever going to the IVF, don't force to your doctor to get twin babies. It is not at all a good. Twins means we are sharing our hormone system to the both, everything from food, hormone system, our nature, everything they have to share. So if the sharing means, definitely it is affect the growing in the womb. So I am not recommend teen babies with IVF pregnancy. Don't force to your doctor for twin babies.
Now the education world is become so competitive. Now everybody is running behind the ranks, IITs, IIMs,
People are not thinking about health. People are
Ah.
thinking about education.
education and ranks. But the other side of the coin, is these schools are ready for the autistic childs?
Nowadays, autism is the major problem which is impacting education system also. Major schools are not accepting autism children
Okay.
because they are not maintaining, because one autism children they want to maintain means it is not so easy. So suppose in a class 20 children are there, so one children is enough, the people, the children are very good. So one autistic children is there means it is entirely they have to focus, teacher, compulsory special teacher or some special attention, shadow mothers are like that is important. So nowadays schools are not accepting autism and ADHD and hyperactive cases. This is so actually in India especially majority schools are not accepting autism ADHD school. On other side government is not supporting. Another side is the people are not accepting. So many autism mothers are the suffering regarding their child education in future, their child education system.
Do we have any alternatives in India, like for who is suffering from autism?
Alternatives nowadays growing well in major cities, but in villages it is not available. Even metropolitan cities is also not available.
Okay.
So nowadays growing well, even it is must to take government India responsibility.
Okay.
It is not a means so many people are doing business with the therapy, so many schools are running with autistic, but these are the highly commercial.
Okay.
It is not easy to reaching middle class man, it is not easy to reaching common man. It is only this, because it is even though it is difficult to maintain them also, it is not so easy. Autistic children's maintenance it is not so easy. The only mother is suffering 24/7, but teachers are not able to give like that performance, like that support, this one. So government must take this responsibility to entire autism scenario. So in India especially important. Otherwise we are going to face major issues. To suppose one autistic child in the home means both parents they will get suffer, even financial suffer, physical this one, time is also they are not going to spend, even personal life is also they are sacrificing. It is not so easy, but it is a compulsory. So in homeopathy you can treat easily autism and ADHD and hyperactive cases through neuroimmunotherapy.
Okay.
Neuroimmunotherapy. So through homeopathy you can treat easily. So government of India must encourage the homeopathy treatment for autism, ADHD and hyperactive cases. Therapies are very good, but it won't treat the problem.
Okay.
It is external support only.
Mm-hmm.
So external support, it is not possible to treat internal problem.
Okay.
Habituatedly you can make it small trainings,
Mm-hmm.
but those are not impacting the treatment side. The treatment, allopathy is a fail in autism treatment. Ayurvedic, there is not much scope in autism treatment. There is only the choice is through homeopathy, through holistic way, through neuroimmunotherapy system. I am treating successful autism cases in 2 to 3 years. So many children are getting better life, normal life, healthy life. So many parents are happy with my treatment. This is not a greatness of my system, this one. I am into the great system. Homeopathy is a so wonderful system for autistic children.
Okay. So you mentioned neuroimmunotherapy. What is the difference between neuroimmunotherapy and a regular treatment?
So autism is the majorly responsible with nervous system, nervous imbalance, mental instability, physical instability. These coordinations are not matching. That's why they are not focusing to concentrate what going on the social communications, even though they are not observing because of unstable mind and unstable body. So this is the disorder system, neurological disorder. This disorder is developing into the internal system disturbance, internal immune system disturbance. Not immune systems are two types. One is the external immune system, another is the internal immune system. Internal immune system is carrying from generations to our body.
Okay.
External immune system is fighting with external factors like infections,
Like maybe
fever,
corona. It's an external
or
factor.
whatever external. So these two systems are important. Internal system, if you are disturbing the internal system to high power of antibiotics or high level of medications, even steroids, internal system is going to disturb, means children are getting hyperactivity, behavior issues, or more uncontrollable movements, more disorders of the nervous system. So homeopathy works these internal system, immune system correction. That's why neuroimmunotherapy. That is a neuroimmunotherapy. So we are treating through immune system treatment for nervous system. So that is the greatness I invented to my all children, autistic children. They are getting very good result with this. That is also goes to long lasting and permanent also. It won't recur. I am treating root cause. I am not treating problem.
Okay.
Even some medicines are sedatives they will give temporarily. If you are not giving medicines, again next day they will violently behave. So they are suppressing the problem. If you suppress the problem, internally it grows. Some other time it goes to up.
Okay, it will gonna bust out.
Yes. So I am not suppressing the problem. I am treating root cause. I am not treating autism.
You are eliminating the root cause.
Yes. I am not treating autism. I am treating root cause of the autism.
Okay.
That is a wonderful job what I am doing. So because of this, so many parents are feeling very much happy with my treatment. Who is having autism child, those mothers are lucky. Why I am saying lucky means, nowadays in our lifestyle, normal healthy children are not caring about parents. They are ignoring because of social media, because of outside. They are not exposing easily. They are not depending on the parents. So parents is also busy. They are not communicating with children. These are the communication gaps. When autistic mother is having autistic child, this child is 24/7. This child is always with mother. Every time they are loving, every time they are depending on mother. Mother is also seeing her. This is the love and affection is there. So that's why I am always saying, so autism is the, sometimes it may be luck also for mother. Always your child is with you. Your child is following you. Sometimes maybe she may be disturbance, but majority, so it is your product. It is your luck. It is your love and affection. It is what you are saying they are following. When child is also depending on mothers. So nowadays in our lifestyle, so many parents, even high financial people, majorly suffering children lifestyle problem. They are not, they are giving high quantity food, high medications, poor communications. They are not taking care of personal things of children. Just mechanically they are living in big homes. But I am seeing in my practical, in clinical cases, so many mothers are happily they are enjoying with autistic child.
Okay.
This is a luck. So sometimes I feel, so autism babies are good luck for mothers like that.
And you mentioned one more case example, that autistic child is very artistic.
I seen recently one case, one child, so drawing very nicely, when white paper, I given the white paper, very perfect. Even the printing is also not like that. That much of perfect. Even font is also they are following. Whatever font is appearing, whatever letters are appearing in the board, exactly they are with. That is the greatness in autism. That is God given the gift for children. So, but the child is poor communications with social. Parents are confusing. My child is good or bad. Sometimes they are feeling very much happy by seeing this type of artistic nature in the child. Sometimes they are feeling very sad, bad because of poor communications of the child. So as like that, so many, even every autistic child, they will like whatever they like. They are having a full concentration. They don't like they are the zero concentration. All our communications are, they are compressed. They are focusing on what they like. So sometimes that's why so many autistic children are artists. Some children are very much, even though I am seeing so many cases, even solar system. Even we don't know that solar system. 5 years boy, that fellow is, they will write the solar system drawing. What is the distance, even the exactly distance between the planets. Everything exactly. Every time, even though if you are seeing solar system, it will, means obsessive compulsion. This is the OCD, obsession. If you are making obsession on one content, you will get good knowledge. These type of nature definitely we will see in autistic children.
Okay. So in the future, they might get succeed in the career?
That's why autism is not a disable. So many people are thinking autism is disable. It is not disable. It is a poor concentration for all things, more concentration for one thing.
One thing, okay. And I've noticed a lot of autistic child won't able to understand the sarcasm as jokes. They have particular word to word. Is it?
Because if I am making some joke on you means your concentration is not there because of unstable nervous system. All my words are not going into their mind. Then only they will speak. Otherwise, some ADHD people they will receive but they don't explain. They don't reply.
Okay.
Hyperactive people they will listen but they ignore. This is the majorly difference. If you are making joke on autistic children, hyperactive children and ADHD children they receive but they don't express. Hyperactive people they receive, they don't care. Autism children they don't receive, they don't reply.
Okay.
This is no basically because of overly occupied, unstable nervous system.
Okay.
So many parents are nowadays thinking my child is not getting speech, my child is not getting speech, my child is not getting speech, even though I am doing this child massage, even though tongue tie operations. Your mouth is not responsible for speech. Your mouth is responsible for, your mind is responsible for speech. If the mind is stable, speech comes here.
Okay.
Speech is not coming through massages, speech is not coming to tongue exercises, speech is not coming from tongue tie operations. These are the common things. Think intelligently. So mind is important. When the mind is stable, everything comes out. So mind stability important. So so many therapies are not able to treat mind system because internal system it is not easy to treat. Therapies are it is a training system. If you train well, they follow what you train. If you are not training, they don't follow you. So that's why. So autism, ADHD, whatever hyperactivity, these are the neuroimmunotherapy system. We can treat easily.
Okay. And I've seen one more thing in autistic childs. They don't like to get touched. They don't like to get hugged. Even from the close friends or even from the close immediate family members. Is there any particular reason for that?
Different autism children are different constitutions. It is a constitutional effect. Suppose two babies mother is having, one baby normal pregnancy, another baby IVF pregnancy, one baby is getting normal, another baby is getting autistic. So two constitutions are different. Even the twins at a time, same medicines taken, same lifestyle, same food taken, same maintaining everything mother for twins. One twin child is autistic, another twin child is non-autistic, normal. So why difference between both means constitutional effect. Constitution is important. If the constitution is strong, even though if you are giving more medicines also, it becomes normal. If constitution is weak, when simple medicines is also going to disturb to bring to autistic child.
Okay.
So different behavior. Some children are, if you look, they feel bad. If you touch, they don't like. Whenever guest is coming to home, they will go inside.
They'll hide.
Some children are, whenever guest comes, they feel more happy. Excitement. Even though they don't want to leave. So this is the difference between constitutional effect of autistic nature. Should not compare. So many parents are comparing one child to another child. Don't compare, my suggestion. Every autistic child is individual. Every autistic child is uniqueness. There is no comparison. Don't compare. Root causes are different. Constitution is different. Symptoms, expressions are the different. This is the important. So don't think some children are, they don't want to touch. Some children are, they touch, they like to touch. So they are looking for touch sense. Some children are, they don't want to touch it. These are the constitutional effect what I am saying. Now, Indian education system is totally failed. So many corporates, they are focusing on strict rules,
To make money.
unnecessary education, unwanted extra education to giving more pressure, unnecessary things. They are not focusing on child personal communications or personal motivation or like that. So many corporate schools are not accepting hyperactive children, ADHD children, autism children. So many parents are suffering. They are not going to corporate school side, even though they are having enough money. Schools are not accepting. Middle class schools are not maintaining properly them. Under lower side, government is also not supporting. It is education is the government responsibility. Government must take a responsibility. In USA, in America, all education system is till 5th class or till 10th class. Government is responsible because education is a major primary important. It is a social use. If you are giving good education to your child, the child is getting social use for future. So education is most important, free education or whatever maybe, quality education or low cost education must. Nowadays, Indian corporate education system is totally failed. So many mothers are suffering because of unwanted, unnecessary rules of the school. It is unreachable. Normal children, even they are putting exams for parents. Child is want to educate that school, the parents must write exam. How fun it is. It is not important. So government must take care of these type of systems, new education system or new education policy. Education, health, social security is the three is the government responsibility. Government must take a security, social security. Government must give the health. Health means not promoting medicines. Don't use medicines like that. Health awareness you have to create. Now Indian government is promoting medical education, medicine education. Medicines are not important. If you are using more medicines, your child is going to disturb. So zero medication system or health they have to promote. That is the second one. And is the education is majorly important. So many parents are suffering. They are not reaching to corporate side, education side. So this is it is a totally failed system in India. Indian government must take a responsibility to improve the new policies. Every man, even though all corporates must be start separate wing for autistic children, separate wing for ADHD children, separate wing for special education children with nominal cost, with low cost, affordable cost. This is important. So otherwise, so in future means if the child is not getting proper education, it is not reaching future goals of this constitutional system.
Is it possible like activities like gym or swimming or any other physical activities will help out to reduce the autism?
Autism children are getting self energy, neuro energy. It is not a physical energy, it is not a muscle energy. You can't tide him. It is not possible. Even though if you are taking walking for 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, they will happily go to walking. Even parents are not able to reach. One mother is saying, I am going to Tirupati. There the 3,000, 4,000 steps are there. My child is immediately fast with good energy, even though he is not tired till last step. That much of means it is a self-generated energy. It is a mental energy. Mind is giving, interest is giving, excitement is giving energy. There is no any physical this one. Even though they are not taking food, even mind is responsible. Mind is the key. Mind is taking up. So autism, ADHD, hyperactive people, or whoever may be high energetic people, it is not so easy to get tired. Even though gym, even though swimming, even though cycling, even though walking, even though running, even though games, so even after that also they will get tired. They won't tired. So at least the one advantage is this type of this one, night time they will get good sleep.
Okay.
That is the only advantage. I observed so many children, what parents are saying, my child is even 2 to 3 hours swimming, that day he will get good sleep.
Okay.
My child is not getting, not going to swimming or any exercise, that day is a restless, unstable sleep. Okay. So that is only the advantage. Otherwise, it is interest. It is not a this one. But again, next day, energy same formation comes. It go to this one. It is not much use also. If you are suppose if you are the first autistic child is running for 10 kilometers, the next day is also normal energy it comes.
Okay.
It is not going to treat, it is not going to better, there is not this one. It is an activity, it is a good for that day only.
Okay, the positive side is to only get good sleep.
Good sleep. That is only the positive side. Again, same day, next day means every day they will get energy.
Okay.
Maybe because of high food also, or nervous system excitability also, even mental interest is also more important. That's why autistic children never tired. Hyperactive children never tired. So self-generated energy it comes.
Okay.
Body.
Lot of parents has the same question: therapy versus treatment. Which one they have to choose?
So therapy and treatment both is a different kind of systems to treat autistic, autistic, this one. Some cases therapies are, it supports. Suppose very normal, simple autism is there, simple very low level problems are there, low level hyperactive or ADHD is there. So therapies are very good for those children. If the major instability is there, major restlessness is there, compulsory treat is important. Without treatment, if you are giving therapies, is also it is not long standing, but good result. I am strongly recommending who is having moderate autism or severe autism or mild, higher level of mild autism or severe ADHD cases, uncontrollable movement is there, means compulsory treat is important. Treat means stability. Through neuroimmunotherapy, I am treating all such type of cases to bring normal through root cause therapy system. Root cause. I am treating root cause. I am not treating problem. It is important. Some cases are borderline simple cases. They train, if you are giving training, they follow well. That is a very good. Some children are even, we have 5 fingers, 5 children are different behaviors. So all are, some children are getting better with the therapies, some children are getting better with the treatment. My strong recommendation is, when the problem is more uncontrollable is there, treatment is important. When the problem is simple level controllable is there, therapies are very much for those children.
I heard from most of the parents, due to some foods, these kids are getting hyperactive, and some foods making them call. Is food is sole responsible for autism kids?
Food is not responsible for autistic children. Food only triggers. Temporarily 24 hours to 48 hours, it triggers. If you are giving more sugar for autistic children, already hyperactive is there. Again you are giving more energy food. This hyperactivity is going to increase 24 hours to 48 hours. But it is not permanently damaging system. Food is not much effect, but it is a temporary cause only. So there is no relation food and autism, but hyperactive energy. You don't give energy food to your children. Energy food means more non-veg, more sugars and more milk. Milk is also gives more energy to body. That is also indirectly impacting to triggers autistic ADHD behaviors.
Now everybody is cutting sugar, but homeopathy pills are made out of sugar. Is it true? If I use homeopathy medicine, any cause of toothache and
dental, so many mothers are complaining, my the child is getting caries, so many, it is a myth, it is not a wrong way. Basically homeopathy pills are not having sugar, it is a fructose, it is not from direct glucose. But all homeopathy pills are very small form, it is not at all even direct sugar also, because those medicines are effectively work through mouth. So many mothers are thinking homeopathy, if you take, dental problems are coming, dental caries are coming, tooth cavities are coming. Tooth cavities or caries, whatever coming, it is coming from hereditary. Even some parents are saying, sir, my child is taking more chocolates, so that's why teeth are getting more trouble, more caries. Chocolates are not causing for caries of the teeth.
tooth decay.
Not causing. Decay of the tooth is depending on the gut tissue, depending on the hereditary problem. These chocolates are trigger.
Poor
Triggers. If you give chocolate for child, it is long lasting into the mouth. So because of sugar quantity, whatever the cavity is there, it is triggers. So that's why I am saying, try to avoid sugar related food, chocolates, sugars like that. So it is a better. But with homeopathy, it is only 5 to 10 seconds staying in the mouth this one. After 10 seconds, these pills are going to dilute. 4 to 5 pills are not at all affecting for this one. These are not from glucose. Poor oral hygiene because of hereditary problem, because of gut issue, because of food habits issue. So not because of medicines. Medicines are very safer to take.
Can autism treated completely?
Yes, if the child is coming so early, the parents are bringing so early, at lower level means very early age you can treat easily. If the age is getting more or older, so it is tough to treat also. Sometimes more than 12 years, if the child is coming, means 12 year means hormone system is developed in the body, secondary sexual hormones, everything is developed in the body, then nervous system, brain, everything formation comes before 12 years only. So, if you are bringing child so early, you can treat easily. If bringing child lately, it is so tough to treat or delay to treat.
Is it true autism kids doesn't have emotions?
It is wrong. Autism kids having lot of emotions, lot of mental reflections. Because of uncontrollable mind, they are not showing their emotions to out. If the autism children are getting normal, these emotions are normal to express. I treated so many cases, emotional less thinking children become into the normal children because of concentration, focus, improvement. So it is wrong thinking. Or every autism children emotionally they are very much high emotions, but uncontrollable emotions is the major factor.
Can an autistic child become an independent?
So when the concentration is not there, instability is not there, there is a so poor social communications. So autistic children can't be independent. Compulsory they need a support 24/7. If autism child is there means they are depending on others, or compulsory others also compulsory take when parents is also take caring 24/7 to that child. So they are not independent life, they don't live because of lack of communications, lack of concentration, high restless of the mind. So it is not possible to make a independent if you are living autism children lifelong.
Is bad parenting can cause autism?
No, I will say no. Some sensitive children are affecting a lot. Some careless children are not much affecting emotional level, but bad parenting is not at all a good way to treat children. It is not at all a right way. The bad parenting is always bad parenting. It is not at all this one. So if you are showing love and affection on children, it is a so effect for children, they communications easily, or indirect fear factor you can introduce to your child. Directly punishments are more stronger autistic children. Indirect punishments are there, we can control automatically autistic children.
Do all autistic kids have same symptoms?
No, all autistic children are differently, they behave differently, they appear differently, they produce symptoms. Every autistic children has uniqueness. Depend on their constitution, they express violence, they express softness or whatever may be, depend on the constitution. It is not at all same, but one thing important, instability, restlessness is a common for all autistic children. Without restlessness, there is no autism. Without restlessness, there is no ADHD. Without restlessness, there is no hyperactivity. This is a base platform. Then constitution express these symptoms independently.
Can autistic child go to a regular school?
It is so difficult to manage in school. All parents, all teachers are focusing special focus on him. Because autistic children are unstable mind, uncontrollable movements, so there is no fixed thought process. It is difficult to study, it's difficult this one. But special attention, special caring, special teacher is important. If that special teacher is there, it is easy to educate those type of children.
Do autistic kids doesn't make eye contact at all?
So many parents are thinking in wrong way. Eye contact is not coming from eyes, it is coming from mind. When the mind is stable, automatically eye contact develops. When the mind is not stable, eye contact is disturbed. Some children are, they will corner seeing, they will see side, they will see corners, all corners. They enjoy the corner vision because they will keep eye in abnormal position, they will see the object in different way. So they enjoy this one. So these things are coming from mind. When the mind is not allowing, not stable, eye contact is impossible.
Is autism more common in boys than girls?
Definitely it may not be this one, boys or girls, there is no difference. It is depend on the constitution. So compare with boy and girl, both are the equal. I will say in my practice all cases are equally. I am seeing almost maybe 5-10% plus or minus, but it is autism, there is no difference sex. Maybe it may be boy or it may be girl, it is not at all, you can't make a difference. Autism children's compulsory, it is coming to boys, autism is coming from girls, you can't make it. It depends on the disturbances, it depends on the root cause level, nervous system disturbances.
Can autistic kids never learn to speak?
Again, speech is coming from mind, speech is not coming from mouth. So it is not possible without mind permission. So autistic children talk with stable mind only, otherwise they won't talk. Speech is important from mind level.